안녕하세요. Welcome back to Talk to Me in Korean. I'm Hyunwoo and this is the look inside video of our very first storybook. 혹시 파란색 진돗개 보셨어요? Is the title. Have you seen a blue Jindo dog? So this is, we've had other books before with stories in them, like these. We've had mini stories in these books, and of course the News in Korean book has articles, and my first 500 Korean words book has mini paragraphs that are also stories. But this is the first time that we've created a full-length picture book, storybook for Korean learners. And we also have on our online store some other books that you can read, Korean storybooks published by other authors. But this is the first time we actually created something from scratch in collaboration with our friend and illustrator Jang Sung-won Shi. And let's take a look inside the book. Okay, so I'm super excited to present this book to you guys. And by the time we are filming this, many of you already have purchased your copies of this book. But in case you are wondering what's inside and what the book feels like and what it looks like, this is the video. So this is a really nicely created book. As you know, with all of our Talk to Me in Korean books, the paper quality and the design is top-notch, top quality, and this is no exception. 180페이지 정도 됩니다. It's got about 180 pages. So let me flip through the pages really quickly without revealing the conclusion of the story. But as you can see, there are lots of really cool images and the story is really interesting too. So it's about these friends. Okay, let me introduce the characters. 삽살, 진, which is the 진돗개, and Jindo Dog, and 책오리, it's a dog and a book at the same time, 책오리, 핑, 담비, and 주머니에 깃털이 있는 옷을 입은 남자. The man with a feather in his pocket. Interesting. So, 앵무 robot also appears. So, one day this robot or these robots appear in people's houses and things happen. And the 진돗개, Jin, the character, disappears and the other friends go look for him. So, that's it. I can't tell you any more about the story, obviously, because I don't want to take away the fun aspect. But this is going to be a great read. And as you can see right here, we have English translation right below or on the separate page, and you can easily cover it if you just want to read the Korean parts. And you can check your understanding by comparing the Korean sentences with the English translation. We did our best to make the translations convey the same meaning in the most literal sense, but at the same time make everything sound natural in English too. And toward the end of the book, we have a glossary of all the grammar points and vocabulary words, all the major vocabulary words that we used in this story. And speaking of which, all of the sentences, or the vast majority of the sentences used in this storybook, they are from our Essential Korean Curriculum levels 1 to 5. So we have 10 levels and we've taken the grammar points from those first 5 levels and used them in the sentences here so that beginner learners and intermediate learners can read this book. It's got a great storyline, fun characters, and great images. And for people who purchase the first batch of this edition, you're going to also get the special edition, limited edition postcards using the pretty pictures from this book. So you will get some postcards also in the mail if you hurry up and order your copy before the first batch runs out. And that's it. Please visit our website at talktomeinkorean.com and go to talktomeinkorean.com/store to look at all of our books, and go to talktomeinkorean.com/curriculum to look at all of our online courses that you can study with. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, and I will see you in the next one. 네, 이 책 정말 도움이 많이 될 거예요. 꼭 사서 재미있게 읽어보세요. 감사합니다. Bye!